so cute. And we're about to go out, have some dinner, get drunk, do drugs, sleep with strangers. Just kidding, Mom. Ha ha ha. Waiting for our Uber. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to party. What is this place called? Eloisa. Ooh, drinks.
So 2 waters and 2 Bordeaux?
Yes.
Right,
thank you.
Absolutely.
So we're at what?
Eloisa.
Eloisa. So we walked into this bar, which by the way, Santa Fe nightlife doesn't even exist. It's like this bar closes, every bar closes at like 10 o'clock. We walked in and this guy was walking at the door and he was like, "Can I see your IDs please?" And then we could have pulled them out and then he was like, "No, I'm just kidding, I don't work here."
He basically just wanted to talk to you.
Yeah. Can you see the mountains? That is a mountain back there. Maybe we can come back tomorrow and watch the sunset.
Well, I'm packing up my game and I'ma head out west where real women come equipped with scripts and fake press.
through downtown Santa Fe. It is the cutest city ever. The buildings aren't allowed to be like a certain height because they're not allowed to cover up the mountains. So there's this thing called the Indian Market, and a bunch of Native Americans come and like set up. How many people? Like 150,000 vendors come and sell their jewelry and stuff. There's still some local setup over there, and I got this cute ear cuff from one of them. I'm obsessed. And now we're just earthing. Oh, right. Show me your beautiful necklace. Real turquoise. Love it, Vanessa.
Me too.
Now we're gonna eat some yummy veggie burgers.